this video, I will be showing you how to make money with an autopilot method. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, visit this website right here, cpalead.com. I'll show how to use an autopilot technique for CPA marketing in this video. Let's click the About menu up here once you're on this page. You will immediately be redirected to this page. About CPA Lead Advertising Network. CPA Lead is a real-time bidding DSP and SSP marketplace that connects mobile app advertisers to anyone with mobile traffic. Whether you are an app developer who is looking to monetize their app, an affiliate marketer who is looking for direct CPI offers, or a mobile ad network looking for additional CPI offers, they have a solution for you. Scroll down and right here, our mission. Our mission is to provide quality Android and iOS app installs by connecting mobile app developers and networks to quality affiliate marketers, media buyers, and other mobile app developers with traffic. Our advertisers are continually looking for traffic and our members are continually looking for new advertisements and tools to monetize their mobile traffic to its fullest potential. If you scroll all the way down, we have daily payments, which says, our dedicated payment department only has one job, and that is to make sure you get paid every day. We have never missed a payment and we never will. Here we have reputation. We have paid out over $100 million to over 1,750,000 members in over 180 countries. We have also received many awards including Inc. 500. Right here we have their referral program. Refer your friend and earn a 5% bonus from their earnings. We wouldn't be where we are today without the help of our members. And right here we have more rewards. Not only will we pay you for your traffic, we will also reward you with trophies, medallions, iPads, t-shirts. Earning has never been so fun. If we scroll all the way back up and click on offers and let it load, we are going to see the top 100 CPI offers. There are numerous offers on this page that you will notice. List of today's top performing iOS and Android CPI offers from around the world. Offers are ranked daily by their performance based on the number of installs they receive and the average amount paid per install. If we scroll throughout this page, you will see a lot of offers in different countries. Click here, where it says sign up, to register and begin using this platform. Let it load up. You will arrive to this page directly. I want us to quickly review why you should register once you land on this page. Specifically, right here, as you can see, they have a $1 minimum daily payments, which is very excellent for a novice like you. If we go down, right here, you will need to put in your information. You can just sign up directly with your Google account, or you can just sign up with your email address by putting in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, choose your security question, and lastly give your security answer. Once you are done with everything, click on Submit Information. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. After you sign up correctly, you will land on this page right here. On this page you are going to see your today's earnings, yesterday's earnings, month-to-date earnings, and the all-time earnings. A lot of offers to promote will be visible if you scroll down on this page. You may promote and earn money online right now by choosing from the many offers on this page. You can advertise a variety of deals and engage in CPA marketing. The amazing thing about CPA marketing is that all you have to do to start making money is advertise or promote the CPA offerings. You can make continuous money just by spreading the word about these offerings by sharing your link. Simply advertise the many CPA offerings we have on this page to start earning money online. Even a sale is not necessary. As a result, starting with it is really easy. As you expand, you will make money whenever someone takes a survey or clicks on your link without having to sell anything. People don't even need to make a purchase from you in order to earn money from you. All they need to do is send them to a page that was created just for you by this website or have them fill out a survey. I'll now demonstrate how it functions for you. Go and click right here on Country. On the drop-down, choose United States. The offers will refresh once you've done that. Now, click on the offer type and from the drop-down choose Email, Submit, and Surveys. This implies that all they need to do to get paid is provide their emails or complete a short survey. As a result, there are numerous offers to promote on this page if we scroll down right here. Additionally, there are offers willing to pay up to $5 for just one client you bring in. Simply click on any of the offers to advertise them, and a link will be provided. All you have to do is choose any of the offers and click on them, and you will be given a link to promote the offer. Let us click on this right down here. Once you do that, you are going to see a link right here. All you have to do is copy that link and promote it to United States traffic, and once they sign up you will be able to make money. Once someone submits their email and information, you will be making money from this offer. I want you to go to this website right here, Trendry.com. This money-making online forum discusses various online revenue sources. The subjects discussed includes make money, passive income, paid survey, cryptocurrency, and more. If we scroll down, we are going to see a lot of other forums to join. Simply establish or create a profile on this website and promote the information with your link. Once you have done that, a lot of US visitors to this website will click on your link and take advantage of your offer. And after they do that, you will consistently make a lot of money. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.